snow on the ground isn't stopping us from firing up the grill today. Grilled balsamic marinated pork loin and all the fixins more than justify our trip out to the studio. There's only very few people in this world I would brave the cold for. And one of those people is Todd Leonard with the Utah Valley University's Culinary Arts Institute. He's here to satisfy our summer taste buds. How are you, my friend?
So good.
Really, I would only come outside for probably you.
Thank you.
But here's the food to prove why we're here. Why is winter a good time, you say, to be outside and stay grilling?
Well, grilling sometimes in the heat, it's worse than in the cold. And you don't have to have a cooler.
There you go.
You can just leave things out. It's great, right?
You got a cooler all around you.
Yeah, but most people have grills that are conveniently located in the back or, somewhere. And so, grilling all year round is important. And last week was 50-something degrees.
Right.
This week it's 23 right now.
So you had the spring fever last week. I'm feeling
so we wanted to do some grilling, and today it's very simple. So just a quick couple little easy tips.
Yeah, teach us.
Is we have this pork tenderloin. I've cleaned the silver skin off, got it off, left a little bit of fat because it melts and gets delicious on the grill,
okay.
Right? So we're going to create a marinade, and there's 3 main components of a marinade.
I'm ready.
First, flavor. So we're going to put a little bit of garlic on there.
Got it.
And a little bit of onion. And a little bit of herbs. So this is parsley and thyme.
So flavor, check.
Yep, flavor. Then you want some acid.
Okay.
Okay, acid is going to be the balsamic in this
What's
situation.
another acid we could reach
Lemon
for in our
juice,
okay.
Any other vinegar, and then we're going to put some Chef Todd's pit seasoning on there.
Oh my gosh, my favorite thing.
Yeah,
I told
buddy.
Chef Todd I haven't seen him in a while, but his face sits in my pantry with it's on the bottle of the pit seasoning, so I see it almost every day.
So we have the flavor, we have the acid, and now we have a little bit of fat. Fat is in the form of oil, it could be butter, it could be, whatever. And that just helps when you go to the grill, helps like protect it, like suntan lotion. So you're putting a little suntan lotion on this pork. Usually I only marinate it for a couple hours.
I was going to ask you, they say overnight, do you really need to go that long?
It gets too intense. I want to taste pork. So all we're trying to do is enhance and bring out the natural flavor of the pork.
Okay.
So this goes on. Okay, that's going to go right here, and that's going to get all the smoky. We have one cooked there, ready to go.
How do you know it's done? Just a temperature test?
Yeah, on pork, you can go. You only have to go to about 135 now, but I usually go a little bit under, and then put a little tent it, foil it, and just let it rest for a good 20 minutes.
Cook a little bit.
Okay, so now we have another option, which is. There's more to the grilling than just meat.
Okay.
Grill your zucchini.
What?
Grill your potatoes.
What?
So we're going to make a potato salad.
Okay.
Okay, with grilled potatoes. So these are blanched, so partially cooked, and then we just put them on the grill. Look how colorful and beautiful.
Char marks. Perfect.
Good char marks.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make the sauce for it. It's going to be warm potato salad.
Okay.
So bacon, celery, onions, some, these are mustard seeds. We'll give it a nice little punch. Some green onions.
Okay. Flavor,
You're packing it in. Packing it in. Good shot of dill. And then on this one, cider vinegar is what you want. A good noble amount of cider vinegar.
Good noble amount.
Yep. Good.
That's spoken like a true chef.
Good portion of cider vinegar and a little bit more oil.
Oil, okay.
Okay. And then again, we're just going to stir that in, get those flavors to come together.
Yeah.
Just lightly, and then we put all of our spuds in there.
Again, blanched and then just char
blanched and then char grilled. And look how nice those grill marks are.
Gorgeous.
Right on top. Toss this together. Here's some other ones that I already pre-grilled.
Yes.
Put those in there like so.
I don't know if you're hearing all the Salt Lake City business students as they walk by and they're like, what? It smells amazing.
They've been coming all morning saying, when's lunch? Okay, so now toss that together, and you can see very light. It's not that huge mayonnaise-based potato salad. This is very nice German-style potato salad.
Yeah, see, I don't love traditional potato salad all that much for that reason.
Eggs and mayonnaise
really
and all
heavy,
that stuff.
But that looks delicious and lighter and fresh.
This is delicious. So now we're going to just take our grilled zucchini, bring it over here to our nice little setup. So this is just a simple little easy way to kind of present something grilled. Is just get some boards. You can buy boards for, under $10. We're going to cut a couple pieces off of this delicious.
Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. These are the kind of skills you teach your students down at UVU?
You betcha.
Yeah?
Okay, so we have our pork beautifully nice and pink.
Yes.
You don't want to overcook it. You want, because it's the desert, right? Grilling is like the desert.
Yeah.
So you want to keep that moisture on, and you want to make sure you use, when you grill, make sure you use your mop.
Is that what it's called?
This is your brush.
Okay.
This is good, clean juice, not contaminated, and you just continue to mop and baste that pork as it cooks. Very delicious.
I've learned a tip or two in this little outdoor grilling experience.
Okay, and then we just take a few tomatoes too. These are nice little marinated tomatoes. Put them right there with the potato salad, and then we're going to top this piece right here with a little bit of arugula, and then this is a celery root and apple slaw.
Celery root and apple.
Yep.
Oh.
Very wintry.
Really?
No, very summery.
Okay.
Go on. And then that just kind of is going to go right on top of that pork.
Oh my gosh.
That'll give you some more moisture.
Incredible.
It'll give you some refreshment. This is a rhubarb and strawberry jam.
You're amazing.
That would be delicious with the pork.
Suddenly,
a little mustard.
We've got a plate of art, is what we have.
Yeah. Culinary art, UVU. That's what we do.
We appreciate it. Can we get recipes from you anywhere else? Are you online? Where
they're
you?
online. These recipes are online, and then you know, you can always go to uvu.edu. And go to the culinary page, and if you're just wanting to learn a little more, come down, take some classes, and start enjoying the art of cooking it. Culinary Art UVU.
And it is an art, as that plate proves. Thank you so much. It's fun to see you. Come back when it's a little warmer, too.
Betcha.
All right?
Great day for grilling.
It's a great day for grilling, he said. I'll just have to agree because that smells and looks so amazing.